Mustard, potato, chickpea flour, French toast sandwich, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most nutritious of the French toast recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most different of the sandwich recipes. Today we're going to make potato chickpea French toast sandwich. The ingredients are 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of ginger, 25 grams of garlic, 10 to 12 shallots, 100 grams of chickpea soaked in water for around 6 hours, and around 150 grams of potato peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the garlic, and the ginger, salt, potato pieces. Mix thoroughly. Now put in the chickpea pieces. Mix. Now put in salt to taste. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix the salt with the rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 250 ml of water. Mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. 15 to 20 minutes. Mix thoroughly and close and let the mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Now mash the potatoes and the chickpea. Mash thoroughly so as to make it into a paste. Take 6 slices of bread. From this, take 1 slice. Put in the chickpea potato mixture on the bread slice. Spread it evenly. Now take another slice of bread and press so as to make the sandwich, and keep aside. Do this with the next piece of bread until all the bread pieces have been nicely made into sandwiches. Break 2 eggs into the bowl. Mix. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Mix the egg with the salt. Heat the pan and pour in 10 to 15 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Let the oil get heated. Now dip the sandwich in the egg mixture. And put it into the pan. And move it along so as to let it turn it over. Move it around in the pan so that the other side is nicely soaked in the oil so that it does not stick to the pan. Turn it from side to side every 30 seconds. Turn it over. Now take off the pan and onto the plate. Now do this with the next sandwiches until all the sandwiches are done. This is the final mustard potato chickpea French toast sandwich. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the chickpea recipes and one of the most different of the snacks recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the French toast recipes and one of the most nutritious of the sandwich recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.